Hello everybody, welcome back to the best of the internet. Let's get started with this video. Generous golden retriever donating some fur for this little bird's nest. What do you think about driving on these roads? The U-Haul incident happened on 401. Luckily, no one got injured. This is how they dig holes for ice fishing. Who would want to ride a bicycle in Wansheng or Division Park in China? My condolences for the delivery drivers. And it's time for today's fun fact. When we think about apples, we tend to think of apples as being red, right? Though they are, of course, some popular green and yellow varieties exist too. But did you guys know there are also black apples exist, called black diamond apples? They're found in Tibet and they're from Hua new families of apples, also known as Chinese red delicious. Aside from the black outer color, actually an extremely dark shade of purple, these apples look just like another red delicious apple down to the white flesh inside. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it. God bless you. See you in the next video.